Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. My name is Marina from Marina Art Design, and in this video I'm just going to quickly show you my Excel Sudoku generators with words. So it is Sudoku with words. Let me show you what I mean. If you go to my Gumroad store, you will see that I just added three generators, so Excel files. It is Word Sudoku 9x9, 6x6, and 4x4. So basically what you have here is you can type in your words and it's going to generate Sudoku with those words. So 9x9, 6x6, and 4x4. Links are down below in the description. Let me show you how they actually look like. Let's start with 9x9. So when you open the Excel file, it is going to ask you to enable content because it is using macros. If you want to learn more about macros and Excel VBA coding, you have these two links here that you can check out. And this is the puzzle, classical Sudoku puzzle. So what you need is, in this section here, you need to type your words. And once you type your words here, click on new. So click on the new button. Give it a couple of seconds, and once it is finished, go to this sheet here where it says REALWordoku. Click on that, and here you will have a puzzle, and here next to the puzzle you will have solutions, and you also have here the list of words. Now I do not recommend that you make any adjustment here, so don't adjust font or size or anything here. What you need to do is select the puzzle and copy paste it somewhere else, like PowerPoint or Word. Same, you can do that with solution file, and then do the editing in that other file, because everything here is, if you click for example on this cell, you will see here that it's not actually tiger. You see it says tiger here, but it's actually Excel formula, Excel equation inside that is actually bringing that word from the puzzle itself. So don't mess with things here. If you do mess something up, it's going to destroy entire puzzle. Then you have to download the file again from the Gumroad, or you can make a copy and then only use copy to make puzzles. When it comes to commercial rights, you can sell the puzzles generated using this Excel file. You cannot delete the links, so these links part of the Excel file. You cannot sell or share this Excel file. If anyone needs this file, you can refer it to my Gumroad store. If you want to make this puzzle even more interesting, you can use dingbat fonts. If you don't know what they are, that means they are illustrative fonts. So you do not have letters, you have illustrations. So you have all the instructions here. You have also the source code if you want to play it around. If you want to learn Excel VBA, is here as well. In order to select level, click on it and it's going to give you a drop menu. So you have easy, intermediate, and difficult, and then click on the, once you click the level, click on the tab new. And also, just as a bonus, I added list of animals, dinosaurs, fruits, vegetables, and then you have a list of words per letters. So you have, where's the top of this? So you have 3-letter words, 4-letter words, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9-letter words in alphabetical order here. If you, in case you need it, of course, it's just me adding something or to get more value in your Excel file. So let's look at the 6x6. The difference between the 4x4 and 9x9 is that 6x6 doesn't have difficulty levels. So you can only have one difficulty level. I'm going to add more difficulty levels later in the future. This was just a quick side job I did for April. So April asked me on my Facebook group, do I know any Sudoku generators that can produce word Sudokus? And I told her, no, I do not, but I can easily create one. And as I said, this only generates one puzzle. If you are interested in this and you want me to produce something that is going to give out mass volume of these puzzles, let me know down below in the comments. I will work on that generator in case there is need, if there are people looking for that. If there's no need, you can use this free file from the Gumroad. So let's go back to Gumroad. How to get the file? Type 0 here because it is free. So it is free, so type 0 here, click I want this. It's going to ask you your email, type your email, and then you will be able to download this Excel file. That's it. If you have any questions, ask me down below. If you have any comments, put them down below. Links are down below in the description. And that's it. Have a nice day. Take care, people. Stay safe. Bye.